Hey guys, Derek from Doc's Diesel. We're gonna do a fun video for you guys. Actually gonna show you how well our oil friction treatment mixes up with our oil. So we've got some 15W40 and I've also got our oil friction treatment. Go ahead and put a couple ounces of both into this glass. Just show you again how well the two mix together. Then we'll talk about a couple of the benefits of adding oil friction treatment to your oil changes. All right, we've got some 15W40 already poured out in this glass. Gonna go ahead and add a couple ounces of the oil friction treatment and then just show you guys how well this stuff blends even when it's not in movement. All right, so just like that, added 2 ounces to the oil. You can see they mix very well even without any stirring. So imagine your engine was running, everything was moving. Trying to simulate that a little bit with the screwdriver here. Really well lubricated. So that's what the oil and the oil friction treatment look like mixed together. A couple reasons that you would want to add some oil friction treatment to your oil, especially when you're doing oil changes, specifically when it's a little bit colder out. This is going to help with those cold starts. So eliminates stiction, helps those injectors run a little bit cleaner, which then in turns to better fuel mileage. So think about the oil friction treatment when you do your oil changes. Go ahead and add a couple ounces. Get yours today, docsdiesel.com. Whether you need oil friction treatment, whether you need oil, we've got you covered. docsdiesel.com.